My PhD research was motivated by the fact that more and more children in the UK are being plunged into poverty. My research sought to understand and disentangle the relationship between low income and child health outcomes, in particular asthma and wheezing. I used the Millennium Cohort Study, which is a British longitudinal data set, to answer my research questions, and also focused a little bit on current and past policy in the United Kingdom and the direction that it could take towards the betterment of child health outcomes. My research was supervised by Associate Professor Mara Violato and Professor Maria Quigley, and it was funded by the Medical Research Council and the University of Oxford. My research group works in malaria. In particular, we use mathematical modeling coupled with health economics to produce analysis which supports the decision making of national malaria programs mainly within high burden, high impact countries, and the hope is that our methods or our results can actually help towards their efforts to reduce malaria prevalence and ideally eventually malaria elimination. When I think of Oxford, I would say two places come to mind. The first being my office in the Richard Dole building on the Old Road campus. I spent many days and nights and weekends there and made really good friendships within those four walls. The second place is the River Isis, where I rowed for Wolfson Boat Club for 4 years and started many of my days there and built memories that I'll never forget. My first job after finishing my PhD was as a postdoctoral scientific collaborator, health economist at the Swiss Tropical and Public Health Institute within the Analytics and Intervention Modeling Group, where I'm currently based. Many of the skills that I learned or developed during my PhD I use now. I would say there are some technical skills and some social skills. The technical skills, of course, include being a thorough researcher, being able to think critically about research questions, being able to manage very large data sets and perform quantitative analysis, being able to write well. And on the social side, I would say being able to interact with researchers and people from different backgrounds and different research fields, resilience, and things as simple as being able to admit to myself when I'm struggling or to ask for help. If I had one piece of advice to give anyone about to embark on their academic journey, it would be to enjoy yourself, use this amazing university platform, work hard, speak to new people, try new things, try new sports. It's a really special time and make the most of it and you will have no regrets.